This video is to provide an update to the prerequisites for using the MMM Managing My Money Excel tool. The tool is free to use and download. You must send an email to mmm.expenseplanning@gmail.com to receive the download link and activation code. The prerequisites are that you have a personal laptop or computer, as it's not supported on mobile devices. Also, that you have a local version of Microsoft Excel installed on your computer or laptop. So the spreadsheet will not run on a browser version of Excel or on Excel running it from a cloud storage location. The intent is that you will download the spreadsheet locally to your desktop and run it using Excel from there. So it's accessible only to you. As mentioned in previous videos, it requires United States regional settings. Also, be aware that it's fully functional. However, it does not include a download of import of your bank data and credit card data from your bank or credit card company. If you wish to do that, you can, but that requires an optional paid subscription as mentioned below. If you want to do that, there are videos linked to this one specifically that give you instructions on how to do the Tiller Money import or how to do the Quicken import, but both of those will require either that you have a subscription with Tiller Money or a subscription with Quicken. I hope you've been enjoying and getting value out of the Managing My Money series. If you have not yet watched the videos, please click on the link to subscribe and also click on the link to look at the videos in the playlist. Thank you.